Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the benefits of curd. How can you use curd that is easily available in your home in your DIY mask? So in today's video, I am going to share 3 tips for you. That is for your skincare, hair care and internal. So however you look after your skin and hair on the outside appearance, even it is very essential to look after your internal aspects. So to know more about this, let's dive right into the video. So the first step is to how to include curd in your skincare. So for this, I am going to show you a DIY mask. So the first ingredient is curd. Curd contains lactic acid, provides softness to your skin, improvises your skin texture, fights against wrinkles and early signs of aging. The next ingredient is neem. Neem is rich in antifungal and antibacterial properties, helps in treating burns and skin disorders and also other skin related concerns. The next ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and also provides glow and lustrous effect to your skin. Around a pinch of turmeric is required, 1 teaspoon of neem powder and around 2 tablespoons of curd. I'm going to make this mixture into a fine paste until you get a proper consistency so that you can easily apply onto your face. So I've just cleansed my face using the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleanser, and I have nothing on my face, just have used the cleanser. So I'm taking the prepared mask and I'm just applying it all over my face. As I've already told you guys what are the benefits of this plant, antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties it has, and also treats all the fungal infections and reduces the redness and many other properties. I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you just guys can go through and then prepare this mask and get prepared for your good healthy looking skin. So I'm just applying it all over my face evenly, and these masks can be used 2 times in a week, and it just needs to be used 2 times. If you are comfortable, depending upon your skin concerns, you can use it 3 times also, or alternative days also for better results. But remember guys, all these DIY masks do not show instant results. Consistent use, slow and steady only, you'll get that good results. So never expect instant results for 1 day or 2. So I've just applied this mask all over my face, and also remaining I'll just apply it on my neck. Whatever you take it to your face, don't forget to apply to your neck. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it on my neck like that, and then I leave this mask for 15 minutes. Remember, again I'm mentioning to use this mask 2 times in a week, and depending upon your skin concerns, you can use 3 times also, or alternative days also. So yeah, leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. So the second step is to how to include curd in your DIY mask. So the first ingredient is curd. Curd provides a lot of benefits for your hair. So the benefits are deep nourishment and also enhances your hair follicles, making them strong and healthy. It reduces dandruff problems, deep conditions your hair and prevents itchy scalp. The next ingredient is lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, helps in the production of collagen and boosts hair growth. It stimulates hair follicles and encourages hair growth. The next ingredient is egg yolk. For yolk, it is rich in biotin and a very rich nutrient which supports hair growth and also stops hair fall. They are also rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, folate and lenticine. Instead of egg yolk, you can also use amla powder. Amla powder helps in conditioning your hair, promotes healthy hair growth, improvises the tone of henna dyes, minimizes grays, boosts volume, and treats hair lice. I am going to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of curd and add it to the egg yolk. And then I'm going to take the entire lemon juice and add it to this mixture. I'll make it into a fine thick paste. So this is how the consistency should look. So the next mask is to take curd and amla powder. Take the amla powder and put it to the curd around 1 tablespoon and then mix it until you get a fine paste. So the third step to include curd in your internal aspect is to prepare buttermilk. You all will be definitely knowing how to prepare buttermilk. Curd plus a pinch of salt plus water, stir it well and you get this mixture. So to this mixture, that is buttermilk, you will be adding ink powder. Ink powder is also called as asafoetida powder. So the benefits of these powder is it improvises and boosts your immune system, improvises oral health, controls blood pressure and also controls cholesterol. To this buttermilk, you will be adding a pinch of ink powder and stirring it up well, and you'll be drinking it every afternoon after your lunch. So doing this, I told you the benefits. It improvises your immune system, improvises your oral health and also lowers blood pressure, lowers your cholesterol and also regulates your heat and balances your heat that needs to be optimum in your body. So drinking this every day after lunch, it's very important, and you can drink every day also, and also 2 or 3 times in a week, depending on your health concerns. So these were the few ways to use curd in your daily routine. That is your skincare, hair care and internal aspects. So yeah, if you feel this video very helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell on, and also follow me on Instagram. Until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.